When Lee Mulliken was drafted into the U.S. Army in 1941, he chose to become an Army topographer, a natural choice for an artist. As you look at this painting, The Great Transparence, you might sense the lines as rivers or mountains on a map, or the patterns of landforms seen from a plane. Bay Area curator Karen Sugimoto says of this painting,
"You're not sure what it is, but you feel it's of the world, of the universe, with all this energy going on."
Artist Lee Mulliken touches on the pulsating energy you might sense in this painting. In a 1992 interview with Paul Karlstrom for the Archives of American Art, Smithsonian Institution.
My techniques, the way I worked, had to do with developing not only on the formal side layers of paint, but also, in the philosophical side of layers of life or layers of nature, layers of patterning, and elements that I felt strongly about. And I was one minute grasping outer space, and the next minute I was grasping what's below the desert floor.
After the war, Mulliken was invited to San Francisco by a friend and stayed to form a small group of artists that called themselves Dynaton. Karen Sugimoto describes their philosophy.
And they had a real sense of, I think, aesthetic collaboration or vision about what art could be. And it had to do with kind of the unconscious. The root word for Dynaton comes from the Greek word meaning the possible. I think what they were doing in their early abstract work was using paint as a way to get into the unconscious in an automatic way, trying not to think too much, and allowing the primitive cells in our brain to find themselves on canvas.
Lee Mulliken describes that unconscious process of painting.
It's something that you really cannot get a hold of. As try as you may, it's like Zen, you just can't hold on to it. It's a meditative act. I'm standing on this particular metaphysical, almost unexplainable plane in my studio, and the canvas is there before me. And it's in this attitude that makes the painting appear. And once it appears, you're not quite sure how it got there.